Staring at a blank value proposition canvas is tough, right? That's why I'm going to share 3 examples with you from successful companies so you can see what good looks like and start creating your own irresistible offers. What do we actually mean by a value proposition? Well, it's the words that you say that make customers want to buy your stuff. Your value proposition is usually the first thing your customers see when they land on your website. For Lovable, it's build something lovable. For Calendly, it's easy scheduling ahead. And for Duolingo, it's learn anytime, anywhere. They all sound super simple, right? That's because these companies put a massive amount of effort into deeply understanding their customers' needs. And that's exactly where the value proposition canvas comes in. It helps you speak your customer's language, and it helps you translate your products and features into benefits they actually care about. Here's the first example, Lovable. Their target customers are non-technical solo founders. They have $1 million startup idea, but no technical co-founder. What are the customer jobs? They want to launch a product this weekend and start their dream business, but they're also trying to beat imposter syndrome and look like a legit founder. So what's stopping them? What are their pain points? They have to wait months for a developer, and then when they finally hire one, it's really expensive. They're frustrated because they've hit the limits of traditional no-code tools, and they get anxiety because they're worried about missing out on AI. What are their gains? These founders want a polished live app, real paying users, instant updates, and 100% ownership of their business. Now let's move to the left side, the value map. Lovable's product is an AI app generator that produces code for you. How do they relieve those pains? Lovable charges a relatively cheap subscription fee, which relieves the pain of expensive developers. They offer instant AI coding, relieving the pain of waiting months to build. They deliver real code, relieving the limits of no code. And same-day launches mean you won't fall behind your competitors. Now let's look at the game creators. Lovable provides production-ready user interfaces and back-end templates, giving you that polished live app. Chat-based editing allows solo founders to deliver instant updates themselves. And launching an MVP quickly and cheaply means they get to keep 100% equity in their business. The magic really happens when you align your products and features with benefits that customers really care about. Look at Lovable's headline. Build something lovable. Create apps and websites by chatting with AI. They've chosen the exact right words to appeal to their target users. That's why they were the fastest startup to reach $100 million in revenue. The second example I have for you is Calendly. They target sales teams and recruitment teams. What are their customer jobs? They need to schedule meetings and save time for deep work. They also need to make a great first impression and look professional. But what are their pains? Endless back and forth emails. Checking availability 5 times a day is destroying their workflow, and they keep making embarrassing double booking mistakes. And doing time zone conversions in their head is just frying their brains. What are their gains? These teams want a highly professional booking experience, more booked meetings, higher show-up rates, and 0 calendar admin. Sounds good, right? Look at the value map. Their product is individual and team booking pages with automated workflows. How do they relieve the pains? Instant booking links relieve the pain of endless back and forth emails. Two-way calendar sync relieves double booking mistakes. Automated reminders relieve the annoyance of getting ghosted. Zero-touch scheduling means no more checking availability 5 times a day. And automatic time zone detection means you don't need to do it manually anymore. Now let's look at the game creators. A branded booking page delivers that highly professional experience. One-click meeting reschedules create more booked meetings. Round-robin routing meeting means that they can distribute calls fairly between team members, and that leads to having 0 calendar admin. And data analytics means that they can keep track of how many more meetings they've booked. Just look at Calendly's headline, easy scheduling ahead. By aligning their promise so perfectly with what customers actually care about, they built a product that sells itself, growing to over 20 million users and a $3 billion valuation. The third example is Duolingo. They target casual language learners who have a few spare minutes and are about to reach for their phone. What are the customer jobs? They want to learn a language in between tasks and prepare for upcoming travel. They want to stay motivated to learn. They also want to impress friends and family, feel productive, and ultimately become a person who speaks another language. But what are their pains? They feel bored. They doom scroll TikTok for 60 minutes a day. Textbooks are boring. Forgetting words the very next day after learning them. And the frustration of quitting after just a week. What are the gains? Language learners want small daily progress, a 5-minute completion time, and a fun experience. Let's look at the value map. The product is the Duolingo app, featuring a free ad-supported tier, bite-sized lessons, and a progression system of streaks, XP, and leagues. So how do they relieve the pains? Interactive, low-stakes exercises relieve the pain of being bored. Engaging characters and storytelling help relieve the pain of boring textbooks. A mobile-first design replaces the urge to doom scroll on TikTok. And streak reminders cure the habit of quitting after just a week. Oh, and a research-backed curriculum means you're less likely to forget words the next day. Now let's look at the game creators. One tap to access lessons helps achieve that 5-minute completion time. Making learning feel like a game delivers that fun experience. And instantly grading results gives you that small, visible daily progress. Look at the headline on Duolingo's website. Learning with Duolingo is fun and research shows that it works. They don't just sell an education app, they sell a fun, fast, bite-sized alternative to scrolling on your phone. They've become the most downloaded education app on the planet with over 100 million active users. And if you want to see how this exact value proposition fits into the bigger picture, click this video here on screen right now, where I share a complete case study on Duolingo's entire business model. I'll see you in the next one. See ya.